What is the PaleoHacks Cookbook? The PaleoHacks Cookbook is an amazing ebook that compiles a comprehensive list of over 150 meal recipes that are both intriguing and delicious. The cookbook covers all major meal segments ranging from primary meals, desserts, salads, and snacks. The guide aims to remind people that their bodies need the right foods and nutrients in order to stay healthy and fit. The PaleoHacks ebook is made up of more than just a bunch of food recipes. It includes valuable information on how to adopt healthy and lifelong dietary habits. The tasty meals made using this guide are both sumptuous and satisfying. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. Why you need PaleoHacks Cookbook? The PaleoHacks Cookbook was first created by the well-known PaleoHacks team who got their inspiration from paleo diet enthusiasts from all over the globe. Today, not many people have a lot of spare time due to busy work schedules. However, our health and nutrition are very important and they need our undivided time and attention. This does not mean that you must spend hours preparing and cooking meals. The recipes in the PaleoHacks Cookbook are specially crafted for people who lead busy lifestyles. Apart from the amazing recipes, the PaleoHacks Cookbooks also offers assistance with grocery shopping. It is important to have all the necessary ingredients when cooking. The guide helps you to cut down on a lot of precious time and money by giving you simple and easy to follow grocery lists for different meal plans. This is excellent for anyone who is looking for a simple modern-day dieting guide. Click the link below for visit official site. Benefits of the PaleoHacks Cookbook. Many people experience difficulties when trying to switch to paleo diets mainly because they find them complex and sophisticated. However, this particular cookbook reveals that the switching process is not as difficult and painstaking as many assume. Everything you need from recipes to ingredient lists and preparation techniques are included in the ebook. Once you join the PaleoHacks community, you'll start enjoying many other benefits such as better health, more efficient weight loss, more energy, mental clarity, leaner muscles and many others. Pros. Easy and instant download after purchase. The ebook is easy to read and understand. All meals are easy to prep. The guide includes a wide range of natural and whole foods that offer a high level of nutrition for optimal body growth and energy. The guide can help you lose weight easier and faster without having to use any artificial supplements. The PaleoHacks Cookbook comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Cons. No print copies available. You have to follow the cooking instructions to the letter, or else you won't achieve desired results. For more information, click the link below.